Hi, I'm making a video for you. Share my screen. Okay, so here's your website, and what we're going to learn is how to change this slider right here. Okay, so the best thing to do is to figure out how big it is. I've already right-clicked and copied it and brought it into Photoshop. Here it is in Photoshop. I've already pasted it in. On the top of the bar, you can hit image size, which yours is 940 by 318 high. So that's the room you've got to play in, right? You would make sure that you save it for the web. Depending on what version of Photoshop you're using, it should be in the menu like this, but sometimes you just have to hit that Control-Shift, Control-S, and since you're a Mac, I can't tell you. But when you're saving it for the web, you want to make sure you optimize the size down. It'll show you the original here. It will start off, usually, I was playing with this a minute ago, at the highest quality, so that the quality is at 100. But then look at it over here, and it's going to show you that it's 31 seconds for that one image. That's not good. So we're going to need to knock that down. And I think I had it down about 60, and you don't see any much in the difference. If you do, just upload another one, but take it down as low as you can go and still have pretty good quality in what it looks like. You're going to save it for the web, and then when you've got it, you're going to go into your website and go into the back end. So here I've got your dashboard open, and I'm going to start where I was a second ago. On the left-hand side, we have something called sliders. We've only got one in here, so you hit home and you hit edit or hit the word home. And when you've got that done, you can hit add a new slide. It always goes to the bottom. You can see that these here have a little name of the image, bing, 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 and this one doesn't. So we open it up and we say get image. Now you'd have to get it off your computer, so you'd be hitting the upload file one over here and finding it on your computer. But I'm just going to take a pretend one, take that pretty thing, use for slide. It's not going to become a slide. What I want you to see is important. This right here, it's not done this way quite as much anymore. Your theme is much older. So it's going to try to upload it to be a specific size, and it's calling a hard crop. That means I know this picture isn't the right size, so it's going to morph the hell out of it. What I want you to do is open one of the other sliders above it. So here's where we are right now, right? The unknown one. Let's open one of the others. And I want you to see that the size that John has created for you is called JMA-home header, okay? We're just looking at what it was called. Let's go back down to yours down here and see how it says default. We're going to drop that menu down and find his JMA home header, and we're going to then update the slider, and you will have a new slide in your pictures. To delete a slide, I'm going to delete this one. So you would just hit delete and confirm that. And if you wanted to delete one of the older ones, you would just go into it, hit delete. You do not have to fill out any of these other things, okay? The words that we were using are on the image. They're just done in Photoshop. So all of this stuff, not guaranteeing you how it works. It's a really old system at this point, but that's all you got to do. And I'm going to stop the video, stop recording, I don't know, stop sharing, and then say goodbye, honey.